Hey Bruce, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about I put together for you guys. If you want, I would be able to help you with your website, but regardless if you want my help, you got it already solved with somebody, or you're doing it yourself, this video is more about three things that you should do on your website in order to beat your competition online. Miramar Kitchen and Bath and Lars Remodel, that as you see when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, they show at the very top of the results on Google here and on the map as well. You may wonder why I put this video together for you, and it's basically because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business, so it's really hard for them to make some time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send them to them for free. So that way they can have all the information, and a lot of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves, but some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion. But if you like what you see on the video and you want my help on getting there, just let me know and give me a call or send me an email and I'll gladly help you. That said, let's jump into it. I'm going to tell you about the three things that Google search engine uses in order to rank a website at the very top. This is content, backlinks, and citations. As you see, for example, your competition, Lars Remodel, they have a lot of things on their website, also Miramar Kitchen and Bath. Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000 words of content on the main page of the websites they rank at the very top. Content is all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. As you see, for example, Lars Remodel has 1,500 words. So you always want about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. What are keywords? Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up on Google regarding the services that you provide, okay? So let's say you want to make a list of like San Diego kitchen remodel in San Diego, a remodeling company in San Diego, etc., right? Of the terms that people are looking up the most regarding the services that you provide, and then dropping those keywords or key phrases several times throughout those 2,000 words of content, like these guys do over here, okay? That way, when somebody looks it up on Google, Google can find your website and show it to them over here at the very top, all right? Then I want to talk about backlinks. A backlink is basically when you're in another website and there is a link that when you click it, it takes you back to your website. Imagine that your website is Lars Remodel, so you will click and it will take you right over here. And this works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites watching for you. That means that you can get a backlink for any kind of website, like let's say a website that talks about fashion or about food. Okay, but those are not even as close as strong and powerful on the eyes of Google that when you get a backlink for another construction company, remodeling company, okay, Google always wants to see other companies within the same niche or very similar giving you those backlinks and that trust. That with the content is what is going to make you secure this spot over here and get all that extra business that comes with it. Last thing, first, before I go to citations, I'm going to tell you how you check the backlinks. Here in Purple Room, we use a tool called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but you have a lot of them for free out there, okay? So don't worry. Here, as you see, for example, when I see Large Remodel or Miramar Kitchen and Bath, I can tell that they have 38 referring domains and 74 referring domains. This means that they have, for example, these guys, 74 websites out there that somewhere in the website there is a link, and when they click it, it takes you back over here, okay? So how can you beat these numbers? Because these guys have really strong domains. It's as easy as you copy them, okay? If they're good for them, they're good for you as well. So you can go through every single one of these websites, and through every single one of these websites, okay, you make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile, all right? That way, you'll be matching them. So as I said, if they're good for them, they're good for you. And then all you need to do is build some more on top in order to not just match them, beat them. And that way, with that and the content, you'll be securing this spot in no time. Last thing I want to tell you about is how can you get on the top of the map. Over here, it's all about citations. A citation is basically your business information listed in a directory on the web. A directory is something like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, okay? It's thousands of them out there. And all you need to do, as you can probably imagine already, is have more citations than your competitors. For that, you have a lot of tools to check how many citations they have. And all you need to do, the same with the backlinks, is copy all their citations. And in this case, you want to build at least another 100 on top, okay? So when they realize that you stole the first spot and they start building citations, make it really hard for them to ever catch up to you. Let's say they have 150. Me personally, I would build around 300. Okay, so let's make a little recap. Once you got your website online, what you want to do is have 2,000 words of keyword rich content. You want to build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can do by copying the backlinks of your competition here and then building some extra on top to secure that first spot on the organic results, and then build at least 100 more citations than your top competitor. Well, you'll be securing the first spot on the map. All right, and with those three things, you'll be securing those first spots and your front will be blowing up. If you're interested in doing this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible because implementing all this stuff takes some time, and the sooner you start, the sooner your business will be growing and blowing up. That said, if you like the video and you want some help from my side, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do so. But if you want to take all this information, please take it, apply it yourself. And if you have any questions throughout the process, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching, and if you don't mind to give me a little bit of feedback on what you think about the video, that would really help me. I do these things for free and the feedbacks are really important. Thank you and have a wonderful day.